Hello friends, this is Medhavi. Today we have to work on interfacing of LCD 4-bit mode with Atmega32. So for writing this code we are using Atmel Studio software, and for debugging we are using Proteus. For those who are working on Atmel Studio for the first time and want to make project in Atmel Studio, I have put the link in the comment box. I have already written the code, and for explaining I am going through the code step by step. This is Atmel Studio. So open project, work on 8-bit mode, 4-bit mode, 4-bit mode. This is 4-bit mode. This is preparing. Before explaining the code, go to my blog. This is our LCD. This is our LCD. We are using a 16x2 LCD. In this, 16 pins are there. First pin is for the VCC. First pin is for the ground. Second pin is for the VCC. Third pin is for potentiometer for control the contrast of the LCD. Fourth pin is for RS, means register select. It is work for 0 or 1, means two registers are there. One is a command register, second one is a data register. Command register is work for the initialization of the LCD. Suppose you have to start your LCD, cursor blinking, clear display screen. These are all come on the command register. And other, suppose you have to want to display welcome to all and anything, that all will come on the data register. So when you have to work on initializing part, then the value of RS equal to 0. When you have to work on the display part, then RS equal to 1. Means in the case of command, value will be 0. In the case of data, value will be 1. RW means read write operation. Read for 1, write for 0. We have to work on write, so value will be 0. Enable for write, for enable equal to height. You have to give the height to low pulse to the enable pin for write operation. These are the data line. 8 data lines are there, and these are the LED backlight LEDs are there. But we are work on the 4-bit mode, so we have to use only these 4 LEDs, 4 pins of the LCD. Means except these 7, we have to use only these 4. These all other pins we are using, but in these pins not used. DB0, DB1, DB2, DB3 not using. We have to use only these 4 data lines, because we have to work on 4-bit mode, data mode, 4-bit mode. For save your pin, for save your controller pin. These are some predefined commands of the LCD. 01 for clear the screen, 2 for return home, display cursor, increment cursor. These are the predefined commands of the LCD. According to that, we are use it in our code. This is our code. The meanwhile we are in Proteus also. This is our Proteus 4-bit mode. No. Okay. Let's zoom it. This is our LCD part. Our IC is a 40-pin IC. In this IC, 4 ports are there: port A, port B, port C, and port D. Each port have a 8 pins, and each port is a 8-bit. Means PA0 to PA7, PB0 to PB7, PC0 to PC7, and PD0 to PD7. Total 4 ports are there, and each port have a 8 pins. So we have to use only port A. For save pin, we are using work on the 4-bit mode. In this we are using, zoom it. In this we are using PA0 for RS, PA1 for RW, enable for PA2, and these 4 lines are connected with PA4, PA5, PA6, and PA7. Okay, according to that we write the code. Same as this is our header file. This is our delay function. We are using RSRW enable for PA0, PA1, and PA2. Okay. These are the command function and the display function. First work on the command function. You have to put 0 to the RS pin. then you have to first 0x01 means 0 0 0 4 5 6 7 8. This will shift up one bit, shift of rs. Rs equal to 0 means this value, or of this means 0, and ending with this one means the value of 0 equal to 0 means when you have to give 0 to any bit, then you have to work first or not, then AND operator. In this case, the meaning of this one is rs equal to 0. The meaning of this one, rs equal to rw equal to 0. For enable, first enable 1, then in this case en equal to 1, then after that en equal to 0. For 1 you have to for 1 you have to AND off that bit, and for the 0 bit first you have to not, then after that AND. This is work. Same case in the case of this one. In this case rs equal to 1 and other words same. Code is same for as a command. rw is 0, then enable hide to low pulse. Okay. Then in case of 4-bit LCD, we have to use these two commands. Other same commands are same as 4-bit, 8-bit command. These are two arrays are there. For welcome to all, or God bless you. While one, you have to work on this program infinite times. First, you have to work on the command part. So, I equal to 0, how many commands? It's a 6 commands are there. So 0 to 5 means total 6 commands are there. Suppose your data lines are connected with which pin? Suppose we have to work on this command. Suppose 0x01. This is our command ending with 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0. It means first 0x01 and this one. 0x01 means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, ending with this one means first go to this 4-bit, after that go to other 4-bit. First ending with this one, the output will be ending of this one, and output will be 0 0 0 0. And these 0, why we have to work on these 0? Because not get any garbage in case of RSRW in enable time. In that case, we have to, the first 4-bit will be, after that after that command, then in this case first your bit is shifted 4 times, means your bit is this one 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This will shifted 4 times, means 0 0 0 1 0 0 0, this thing. Then the ending of this is 1 2 3 4 0 0 0. The output will be 0 0 0 1. In this case, the meaning of this one is first go to these 4-bit, after that go to these 4-bit. Okay, first go to these 4-bit means these 4-bit, in this case going this 4-bit. Okay. Same case in the case of display also. First 4-bit go, after shift 4 times, then other 4-bit were going. Then we are using a C0 means for the second line, your cursor move from the second line, C0 ending with F0, then command, after shift 4 times means this command. C0 command for the your cursor move from the second line. And this is for display. Means first 4-bit go, after that shift 4 times, then other 4-bit go on. Okay, this is for the command, this is for command, this is for display. You have to use for loop same as. After that use command, this command for your cursor move from the second line. After that this is for the second line code. Okay, after that build. not commented. This is our code. This is our code. So 0 error, 1 succeed, 0 fail, 0 escape. So go to the Proteus, double click on the IC, go to this, then 4-bit mode, then OK. After that, play. Play. First line, welcome to all. In second line, God bless you. Means first 4-bit go, after shifted other bit with the help of shift of 4. Same as God bless you. Okay. In second line, God bless you there. Main thing is you have to first send the data 4-bit, after that shift 4-bit, then ending with same. This program. Okay. This program operate infinite times because we are using a while one. Okay. Thank you very much.